Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a very exciting video. I'm going to be unboxing all of the Apple Watches, the Apple Watch Series 7, and I cannot wait to see the new colors. Let's just get to it right away. Here is the first one I'm unboxing. This one is the green. Let's do this. I love the Apple Watch boxes. It's so fun when you open it up. Okay, let's move that. Here we are. And the green band. That's all that comes in the box. Let's open this up. A little bit of ASMR. It's kind of hard to open these with long nails, but let's see. I'm very excited to see what it looks like. Ooh. That's what it looks like. And here, of course, we have the charger and this little guy. I think the green case is so cute. Let's get it out. Wow. I'm gonna have to show you my other Apple Watches so you can compare the size, but this one you can already tell it is so much larger. It really, like, the screen goes all the way around. All right, let's open up the green band. I'm gonna go on a hike tomorrow with my new Apple Watch, so I'm gonna have a lot of things to tell you guys, give you guys my reviews. How do I open this? Oh. I'm going to, take them all on a hike, so should be fun. This is what it looks like on the inside. I really like this green, wow. I love the boxes of this. It's so fun to take out. All of my ASMR videos of my old Apple Watch on TikTok, everyone loved them because they're so fun. All right, let's put this one together. There we are. Oh, this color is so pretty. It's not like too green. I was worried when I saw green. I'm like, oh, I don't know how that's gonna look, but here is the green. What do they call it? Something as... Is it just called green? Or does it have a special name? Just green. Okay. Very, very pretty color. Not too much, like not too crazy green. I'm gonna have to put them all on to show you guys after. All right. Let's put that one here. Next one is Starlight. Let's open this up. I'm so excited to make more hack videos for my TikTok with the new boxes, with the new Apple Watches. We have here the Starlight Band. I'm excited. I'm also filming on a new camera, so it's so fun for me to try out my new tech. Let's open this up. The same as the other one, here we go. We have our little charger and our little watch band. I don't know, watch, here's a band. I don't know about you guys, but I always keep my Apple boxes. Like, I've never thrown them out. I have a collection. I love it. This is kind of hard to get out with long nails, especially. Okay. This Starlight is pretty. You know what? Even in the Apple Watch, iPhone 13. Why can't I speak right now? The Starlight color is so pretty. This is like creamy. Oh, here we go. That's what it looks like on the side. And now for the watch band. I got my whole family to be Apple Watch people. Before it was just me and my sister, and now my dad uses it, and it's so much fun because here we go, because I'm in LA right now and they're in Toronto. So whenever I finish a workout or, you know, going on a long walk, he'll send me a little notification like, nice job, love it. So it's fun to all be connected with Apple Watches. Here is the Starlight, as you can see, and I'm putting them on upside down. Oopsies, that's okay. Green one. I like the medium to large size, sometimes a little smaller, but depends. Okay. All of these boxes everywhere. Next, we are opening up the Midnight aluminum case. And the other one is blue. Ooh, I'm very excited for the blue. I have a lot of really fun Apple Watch cases. Sports bands, I mean. All kinds of bands that are like Gucci, Louis Vuitton, that kind of stuff. So they're really fun and really pretty. And I'm excited to swap them out for a regular day. People always think, oh, you can't wear an Apple Watch on a regular day. I wear mine every single day. And you can make it fancier depending on your watch band. It's hard to open. Do you guys keep your cases, not cases, sorry, Apple boxes? Because I do. Here we go. And then we got this. The black, ooh, that would not be good. The black is very sleek for sure. Okay. We have our charger under here as well. I can put this back nicely so I don't lose anything on my table. The black looks so sleek. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to get you guys help me choose which one I should wear. Let's open it up. Like that. Pretty big. All right. And now the case as well. So I recently moved to LA. I'm here for a few months. Hopefully, love it here so far. And I'm loving the weather. That's why I'm filming outside. In Canada, I could never film outside, but maybe in the summer, yeah, of course. But here is the black. I love unpeeling these. Let's put it on. It's kind of blue, like dark bluish black. I don't know, can you tell? That's what the other side looks like. I love this color. This looks so nice. All right, here we go, 1, 2, and 3. Guys, the green, I still love the green so much. I think it looks amazing. All right, last but not least, this is the blue aluminum case. I'm so excited to see what this looks like. This one is shockingly pretty. That's what the box is like. And the bands like that. I have so many hack videos that I'm ready to share with you guys. I think that'll be my next YouTube video, my new Apple Watch 7 tips and tricks and hacks. So fun. There we are. Oh! I should be more careful. Okay, the blue, here we go. Yeah, I need to watch out when I do that. I do not want to lose one or drop it as soon as I get it. You know, one time I was at the Apple store, I think it was for when I bought my 12, and someone walked out of the store and literally dropped it on their way out. And I watched them. I don't know if it was cracked, but he was really not happy, of course. Blue sport band. Why can't I open it? Okay. I might just have to fast forward this part. Ugh. Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. That is a lot darker blue than I thought. And even the green is a lot darker. These look extremely classy. And I feel like you could wear them with anything and like wear it with a suit and still look good. You know? Righty. This is our last one. How am I gonna choose? They're all so beautiful. Okay. Blue, black, green, and the whitish kind of. I hope you guys like my unboxing. Everything is a mess now, but I had so much fun. So without further ado, I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day, and I'll catch you on TikTok, Instagram. Subscribe if you guys like my videos. Bye!